Hi, a very good afternoon. Today is a weekend scan for the next week. The week after 29th June 2019, I have done some scan last night. And yeah, there will be a number of counters that I spotted that I will be looking at next week. So let's go on to the charts. Okay, so city development was found using the monthly candlesticks. Okay, I found it very interesting because there was equivalently high bullish engulfing monthly candlestick. So now I'll go to the weekly indicators. Okay, weekly indicators, I will draw the major support, horizontal support and resistance lines, and take a look at it further. Okay, looks like there is some consolidation right now. Okay, before going down to the daily to actually state and draw uh, to plot my trade. Okay, so basically this is a beautiful consolidation pattern down here. Okay, and what I did was I went to the ATR. Okay, have a look. It's like about 14 cents, so somewhere around like one $9.50. I gave it 14 cents plus two ATRs kind of safety buffer, plus some more above, so that if it enters, it goes up higher. It consolidates down here, then it shoots up higher. I'll enter at this price. Okay, and I think this is what's gonna happen because the price is above 200 and 50 moving average. Yep. So let's go on to the next counter. Okay, now for Maple Logistics Trust, looking at the monthly average, I see, it's uptrending, and then there is another bullish engulfing pattern. And so I will actually go to the weekly time frame, draw the support and horizontal support and resistance. Okay, before going down to the daily to actually plot um how I would trade it. So basically it's the same kind, some kind of consolidation. It breaks out, I'll enter it at $1.61, exiting at $1.52 if necessary. So this amount will be my stop loss of perhaps $500. Okay, so let's go on to the next counter. So now I'm at UOL, property play at the monthly candlesticks. You can actually see quite some beautiful something like a reversal kind of pattern. Okay, so I'll go to the weekly. Okay, draw all the lines. Maybe this was overdrawn, back overdrawn. uh okay, you see, so it's a reversal kind of thing. It consolidated, went up, went back down to retest. It's going higher, meeting resistance point. So let's go to the daily. Okay, the daily actually shows indeed there is some kind of consolidation before this part. So I actually use the ATR. Okay, basically I just keep the thing slightly more than one ATR, which is currently about 10 cents. Okay, so 10 cents, slightly more. Okay, breaks up higher. Okay, it might go down. Okay, but I'll wait for the action to happen. So this is basically my trade plan for UOL. Let's go to the next one. So now at Savannah Reed, it's been a long-term downtrending counter, sideways traveling, and lately it has this small fluctuations. There's suddenly a big bullish candlestick, and so I tried to do some planning to try to enter this counter. Okay, so I went to the weekly, and I tried to plan. Yes, draw the lines. Okay, however, when I went down to the daily, okay, it was a little bit let's put it this way, as complicated, because you see the noise. It's very noisy kind of chart down here. So what I did actually, I still managed to plan it, but I think it's much easier to look at it using the weekly candlestick, much cleaner. Okay, so here it is. Okay, however, because this counter's fundamental is not so good, and it's a little bit on the reversal play, so this amount probably will not expose it to $500 worth of risk, maybe 350 or even $250 kind of risk. So let's go on to the next one. Right now at Silver Lake axis, this counter I saw it going down, trending sideways, went down. Then there was 2 months of a strong rebound, consolidation, so you see something like a flag. So what I see is that we can make use of such a consolidation that has been happening for weeks, okay, uh, and play it, okay, on the weekly kind of basis. Can actually draw the horizontal support, okay, though there's not many support, maybe I missed out something down here, okay, but I think you get the general idea of how to run it, going down to the daily, okay, uh, and if it breaks up higher, I'll have a stop loss down here just below the, this particular support. So if it breaks lower, I'll just exit. Okay, so that is Silver Lake axis for all. Thank you. Let's go to the next one. Now we have gone through a few. Now we are at Q&M Dental. Okay. Previously it was up trading very strongly, met up with bearish engulfing. Wasn't confirmed. There was some rebound. Okay. Then another bearish engulfing kind of pattern. So, but basically you wouldn't want to continue entering in this counter for a while on the long. Okay, so it trended sideways for a very long time, then it started trending down. So right now, okay, I see a monthly, uh I mean for the past few months, it has been useful, I hope. um the candlesticks are playing out, the trend it's reversing. Okay, basically these three candlesticks, okay, there's some uncertainty down here, but I think this is enough to do some confirmation of that it will reverse. Okay, so let's go to the weekly candlestick. Okay, at the weekly candlestick you will actually see something like this: price above the 250-day moving average, draw all the horizontal lines, go down to the macro level, okay, the higher resolution at the daily. Okay, what happens is that it went up, it retested the old support. Okay, using this kind of crossover, they might consider it a bit longer before shooting it up again. Okay, so what happens is that it went down, it went up, now it's retesting. Okay, what I suspect will be something like that, and then it breaks up, I'll enter so that it can continue going up. And if it goes back down and it hovers again, okay, I might wait for another try, or it could actually go down and I cut it short quickly, so no loss left. Okay, with that, that's the charts. Let's go to the summary. Okay, so basically we have ran through 6 counters altogether, and the first batch down here are something that seems more confirmed, and the one at the bottom more like a reversal play. So do your due diligence, plan your trades, enter only when triggered, exit quickly when you hit the stop loss, and that's all I have for you for this week. Thank you.